welcome to Altcoin Ignition Weekly Bitcoin Update. I'm going to start doing this once a week now. Hopefully you'll learn something and together we can figure out what happens next with Bitcoin. So I'm starting on the weekly time frame here. First thing I want to point out is what's happened in the past since this is the first update. We've got a pretty obvious bear flag there. I saw a lot of guys, a lot of influencers who just missed this for some reason. I think it's just the bullish bias, they're wanting to see things reverse, but this was always a bear flag. We called it in my Discord as a bear flag, and it's now breaking down. The way you would have targeted this is there's two different options. We've got, first of all, we're going to take a measured move from here, and then we're going to swap it to the last swing high point, okay, and our target becomes near the bottom of here. I was just a little bit conservative, don't go to the very bottom, so it's around 13,000 target. The second option is exactly the same, but we do it in log mode because we're on the weekly time frame. Sometimes log is better. Neither is wrong. Both of these are going to be areas where people are targeting, but obviously this price here, whoops, this price around here is going to be the first target that a lot of traders are going to be looking at. So for me, if I was trading this short, I would want to be out before traders were taking profit here. I would go for the more conservative target. So let's just get rid of that target. We're going to say that that is our bear flag target there. But there's also bullish factors to consider. So we're actually at support here. Okay, right on support. This is a good area to look for reversal. So next thing I would do is I'd have a look to see if there are signs that a reversal might be coming. So let's jump down onto the daily now. Now we know that we're trading at support here. I just want to get that out of my way. Keep that bear flag target down here. We have a look at the bottom of this price action. It's trending downwards there. And we have the opposite on the RSI. So that's called bullish divergence. And that suggests that we might see a price reversal in this area. Next thing I would do is jump down onto the 4-hour time frame and have a closer look at what's happening here. Now, to me, this line doesn't look so good on the 4-hour time frame. So let's have a look at how I would draw this. This was the first time frame I looked at, which is how I always try to look at the chart. Something like that. Just tidy this up a little bit. Touch as many points as possible. Now, this is what is called a descending triangle, and they usually are a continuation pattern. However, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the length of it. So I'm going to start where the triangle was first formed. So it comes down here, and it's our first touch at the top there. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to measure it to the very end, where the points intersect. So we've got 166 bars. And then we're going to take 2/3 of that, which is going to be 110. And if you can't figure that out, don't worry guys, because I put a sneaky little edit in there. I stopped and used the calculator. So I got 110 bars there, and we're going to draw a little line here. And we can see that we're past that point. Once a descending or an ascending triangle passes that 2/3 point, it's actually statistically more likely to reverse rather than continue. And I think what happens there is that the price has come down so many times and looked like it was going to break out. Every time it does that, you have traders giving up on the potential short trade there. And eventually I think it reaches a tipping point where enough of those traders are out of the market, that there's more people looking for a reversal, and then that becomes what's more likely to happen. So to summarize, yes, we do have a bear flag that hasn't reached its target, but they don't always reach their target. Quite often they come up short. We're sitting at support. We have bullish divergence on the daily time frame, and now we have a descending triangle that has passed the 2/3 mark and is looking like it might reverse. So my analysis would be to be looking for a reversal here. I think it will be short-lived because obviously the trend is down. We're in a bear market. The overall market conditions aren't good, and rallies in bear markets should be viewed as the same as dips in bull markets. So for dips in bull markets, you buy the dip, and rallies in bear markets, you sell the rally. So that's it for this week. Let me know what you think in the comments. Cheers guys. See you on the next one.